So welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to weld a new cutting edge on the feeding wagon and do a little bit of more maintenance what is necessary, some greasing. So let's get started.
Hij zit verkeerd om.
Nee hoor. I thought I put him on time lapse, but it wasn't taking a picture, so no videos of me welding. Just have a few left, so maybe I do it in real time if I have enough battery and memory on the GoPro. So that's done. Now I want to patch this up a little bit. Let's clean it off and weld it on again. Like that. So now do the other side. I know I'm no professional welder, but I'm satisfied with this. Now do a little bit of upside down welding. Always fun. Don't like upside down welding, but I think this can pass. It's going nowhere. It's a little bit late for the rest of the maintenance. So maybe I continue this video, or I make another one, or no video at all. All possible. Toch, Bruin? So it's the next day. I thought about it and I want to make this a little bit stronger. I want to put a little piece in here so this doesn't bend out when it's forced or something. So maybe it's not necessary because it's very thick, but better be safe than sorry. So I already did this side. I think it looks good. Made another one. And I'm gonna weld it in here. So.
Okay. Dit zag er gaaf uit.
I wanna put this piece of rubber back because sometimes it spills on this side. We removed it because sometimes it blocks the feed when you're feeding, but we feed 90% of the time on the left side. So actually this is the left side, so I have to mirror it and put it in here. So a few more little jobs. Let's see if we have to tighten the chain, and we'll give it a grease. So to tighten the chain, it's at a great spot. You have to go under here. In the back you can tighten it. So there it is. Oh, you get the idea. I have to do the other side. Doorsmeren. Is mama er weer?
Ja. Dat ik een verstopt voor mama. En wat is doorsmeren?
Vet erin doen.
Ik ga kijken. Oh ja, daar.
So I'm gonna pressure wash it to be sure there's no little pieces of iron left, and then I call it good. So very happy. It's much stronger, I think. It's nice. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. You.
Thanks for watching you.
You. Don't like upside down. Nee. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Goed, nog één keer. En dan kijk je in de camera. Nog één keer. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Yes.